Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a little haul that I have, and it's from Dollar Tree and Joann Fabrics. So I'll get Joann Fabrics out of the way first because it was a small one. I picked this up for Valentine's Day. It's from the Handmade Holiday Christmas from last year. It was 80% off, so I paid $2 for this roll. And then these are from the spring collection from this year. So I got this one with purple in it, and then I got this one with green in it. These were $5.99 each. I also picked up this Loopity Loops Big Twist yarn. This is for DIY for Easter that I have coming up. And I also picked up this Valentine's Day ribbon, and this was on sale for $3.59, and I believe I got this for $4. So that's all that there is from Joann Fabrics. Right, yeah. So now it's all Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I found, I was really hoping to find, were these little ice cream village things. They look like gingerbread, but they're kind of like ice cream. They are labeled as Fairy Garden. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, Fairy Garden. So this one's this. I got this little, looks like the vintage camper. It says ice cream on it. I also got this one. And there's one more. And these were all the big ones that they had for the collection. Everything else was like small little walkways and stuff like that. Here's another one. This one says sweet on it above the door. And I'm going to use those to make a Valentine's Day village out on my porch here. So that's it for that. Now I'll show you what I picked up for Valentine's Day. I got these big signs that look like tags, and this one has the bike on it. And then I got two of the red truck one. This one says love is all you need, and the other one says happy Valentine's Day. So I got two of those. I also picked up this red truck. It has all the hearts in the back of the truck. It says happy Valentine's Day on it. And I got these DIY stickers. These are like the wooden ones. Those are wood. And these are hard too. They look like foam, but they're pretty hard. So I got a package of those. What else did I get for Valentine's Day? I got this, which is going to be just for hanging in our house. It says hug, kiss, love. It looks really like primitive farmhouse. And then I believe this may be the last of the Valentine's Day stuff. So I got a few of these heart wreath forms and these little wood ornaments they've been putting out for all the holidays. These are just the hearts with the little arrow through it. And last Valentine's Day thing, I just remembered that I had this, is the little galvanized words that they've been putting out, like the little metal words. And these are the Valentine's Day version. They say love, XOXO, and Valentine. I got a couple of things for St. Patrick's Day. I got this paint your own wood sign shamrock. And I got this little 3-piece Happy St. Patrick's Day little, you know, little leg thing that they've been putting out for every holiday. It's gonna be a lot of DIYs coming up. And then for Easter, I got some of the Color Your Own ornaments, and I got the little carrots that they have. I thought that these were super cute, and today I found different ones but didn't pick them up. These are the boy ones. They also have a girl one that has a little flower right on her ear right here, but I got these because I thought that they were adorable. And I picked up this little package of carrots. I think these are so cute for $1. The last Easter thing that I grabbed is this headband. I want to say they usually make them with different interior ear colors, but this is the only one that I could find and I needed it now, so I'm going to go with yellow. The next few things are some baby shower theme things, because one of my colleagues is expecting a baby next month, and what I'm going to do is take this mesh right here and construct up a It's a Girl wreath for her. And I picked up this ribbon. You can't see it too well out here, but it has little pink elephants on it. And it says baby girl. So I got 2 of those. I got these little paper tags that are rocking horses, which I thought were really cute. I got this It's a Girl ribbon. And I got this It's a Girl garland. I just really like the little safari animals that they have. And then, to go along with that, I got this A Year of First signs that comes with the chalk and everything. The chalk is behind it. I'm gonna permanently put her name on here and her birth date, and then they can fill out the little bullets. And I'm gonna give them a metallic paint pen to go with it so they can write on it permanently. And then I picked up this little package of 3 flowers. This is from the Floral Garden brand. These are ornaments, but I will just hot glue them on. I am gonna make that wreath on camera so you guys can see it if you're interested. Now for the random stuff, I picked up this like little twine ball decoration things. Again, I buy these all the time. I love these. They're starting to put more in a package now, so that's even better. I got this one. This is Our Love Story, and it says first date, wedding date, our song, first home, and then they lived happily ever after. So I'm gonna fill this out and put it in our house. I really like that. And then this is the stuff that I was so super surprised at from Dollar Tree. This is like really good stuff. So it's gonna be like spring, summer, lemons. So they had really great lemon stuff. So the first thing that I found is this print. It says, "Be still and know that I am with you." And I think it's really pretty. So I grabbed this. And then I was on the hunt for these and I found them. So I got 2 packages of it. You get 3 lemons for $1, which, you know, if you go to Hobby Lobby, these are like $10. So this is a really good buy right here if you can find those. And then, while I was going up the aisle where they had these, which is like where they keep all the wreath forms and everything, I came across this ribbon, and they have it labeled as Rustic Farmhouse Ribbon. Look at that ribbon for $1 from the dollar store. So I picked up every single roll that they had of this because I love it that much. This is gorgeous ribbon. And of course the last thing that I got is some hair ties because I've been all out of mine for a while. And I finally remembered to grab some at the register on the way out. So that is my entire Dollar Tree Valentine's Day, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, random spring baby shower haul. So I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you'll stick around and wait for some of the DIYs that I'm going to make out of this haul. So have a good night, guys.